last class we studied contribution of Mendel in genetics. In this class, we will study hybridization experiments of Mendel. The experiments of Mendel includes 3 steps. Experiment of Mendel includes 3 steps. First, selection of pure line plants or parents. Second, hybridization. Or also known as cross-pollination. The third one is self-pollination. Of hybrids. So the experiment mainly includes 3 steps. So let's see one by one in detail. So the first step, selection of pure lines. First we need to understand what is this pure line. Now pure line are the plants which produce similar traits or characters generation after generation. So plants which produce similar traits or characters generation after generation. For example, if you cross a tall plant with a tall plant, that is capital E into capital T, this always produces tall plants. In the same way, when you cross a dwarf plant with a dwarf plant, it always produces dwarf plants. Am I right? So, the plants which shows same characters or traits generation after generation are known as pure lines. Now, second step, that is hybridization. Or cross-pollination. Now in hybridization, the plants having contrasting pair of characters, they are cross-pollinated. So plants having contrasting characters the contrast means opposite. Are cross-pollinated. Like example, say for example, you are crossing a tall plant with a dwarf plant. So say tall which is a female plant, and dwarf as a male plant. So here we are crossing two plants which differ. They are opposite in characters, which are different in characters. One is tall, one is dwarf. Now this hybridization, it includes 5 steps. Now what are the 5 steps it includes? Now first, emasculation. Second, bagging. Third, debagging. Fourth, dusting. And last one is rebagging. Now, emasculation is a board exam question. Dusting is again related to like pollination. This is related to pollination. And this one, this question, emasculation and bagging, they are already asked in the board examination. Now let's see 5 steps of hybridization in detail. So we all know pea plants are bisexual plants. So here in hybridization, we are going to cross a tall female plant with a dwarf male plant. Now, we all know this is, for example, a female plant, and this is, for example, a male plant, which is a short one. Am I right? So this is the tall plant and this is the dwarf plant. We all know these pea plants are bisexual flowers. It means they have calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So androecium and gynoecium both present. Here also same, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. We know androecium is male reproductive part, gynoecium is female reproductive part. Now this is our female plant and this is our male plant. Now what is the first step? That is emasculation. Am I right? So first step is emasculation. Now what we are doing in emasculation, the plant which is going to act as a female parent. There are two plants. Which one is female parent? This one is acting as a female. The plant which is going to act as a female parent, from that part we are going to remove androecium. That is anther, stamens. So I say removal of stamens or anther from the female parent plant. So when you remove this, what is left with this plant is only gynoecium. So it has only female reproductive parts. That's why now it acts as female parent. Now once you remove the anther, this technique is called as emasculation. Second one is what? Bagging. Once you remove the anther, now cover this flower with a paper bag. Now cover the flowers of this female plant with a paper bag. This is called as bagging. Now, why covering is important? Because to avoid any unwanted pollen grains or any avoid pest infection So to avoid infection, to avoid unwanted pollen grains, you should cover it with paper bag. Now this is called as bagging. So two steps are over. One is emasculation and another one is bagging. So first emasculation, second bagging. तो आपको याद रखना है emasculation होने के बाद में फ्लावर को पेपर बैग से कवर किया जाता है, that is bagging. अब third step, that is debagging. When this gynoecium becomes matured, जब ये gynoecium जवान हो जाएगा, now remove this paper bag. So removal of paper bag once the gynoecium is matured is called as debagging. तो अब हमने पेपर बैग निकाल दिया. Now this is called as debagging. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now see, the fourth step is dusting. Am I right? Dusting. Now we'll take anthers, pollen grains from this male plant. We are going to take only anther or pollen grains and transfer them on this female plant. तो यहां से pollen grain लो, this is a male plant, and transfer it on the stigma of female plant. Now this technique is called as dusting. So what you are doing here is just putting the pollen grain, dusting the pollen grains. So it is nothing but an artificial pollination made by the human being. This is dusting. Now once you transfer the pollen grain, अब pollen grain इसके ऊपर आ गए, right? Now what you do? Again cover this flower with the help of paper bag. Now this technique is called as rebagging. Rebagging. अब क्या होगा? Once you transfer the pollen grain on the stigma of this female plant, pollination will take place. Pollination results in fertilization, and fertilization results in seeds. So pollination followed by fertilization, and fertilization gives you seeds. Now take these seeds and grow them and produce first generation of these two plants. Grow and produce. F1 generation, that is first generation of this plant. Now this is hybridization and its 5 steps. The third step of hybridization experiment of Mendel is self-pollination. Now in self-pollination, the two F1 plants are self-pollinated. Two F1 plants are self-pollinated. मतलब दो F1 प्लांट को आपको क्रॉस करना है. F1 crossed by with F1. Now when you cross these two F1 plants, this will produce F2 generation. Same method. Pollination takes place. Pollination followed by fertilization. Fertilization produces seeds and grow the seeds to produce F2 generation. Remember, now the results of F2 generation, was calculated depending on the results, Mendel gave laws of inheritance. And depending on results, Mendel gave laws of inheritance. Laws of inheritance, laws of Mendel हम जिसको बोलते हैं. Now, this is the basic steps used by the Mendel in his experiment. By using, what are the three steps? First one is selection of pure line parents. Second one is cross pollination or hybridization. Third one is cell pollination. Now he conducted two types of experiment by using same basic technique. Two types of experiment. First one is monohybrid cross or monohybrid experiment, and second one is dihybrid cross or dihybrid experiment. So in the next class we'll see monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross conducted by the Mendel using same basic technique.